Alright, what's good, everybody?
I'm just messing around, chilling. I made some vampire teeth for the Miata. Right now they're just mocked in. I was seeing how they look, and then I'm gonna probably bolt them in. They have screws down here that I could attach it underneath. I just made like a little edge, and then put them in there. I'll probably screw them in, and then I bought other stuff from the store, so I'm gonna show you guys that here in a bit. Let me get everything set up. I'll probably do like angry eyes and stuff. Got some lights and stuff I'm gonna put in. Alright, there's one angry eye. I was just trying a different angle, seeing how I like it. It looks kind of cool. Most people do a different angle when it comes to the angry eye on the NB. I was just trying something different. I'm going to try to match up the other side. Alright, I ended up doing like a little face on there. Kind of looks like a snake. Hopefully I'll be lowering the car soon. I just haven't had time lately. Just a lot of work and other stuff. Maybe tomorrow. I think it looks pretty sweet. I got other goodies here that I'm gonna put on, but I also have to go to the store. I found my power inverter, so I'm gonna probably put some lights inside. I got the thing that hooks up to the cigarette lighter. That way I could put some lights maybe on the dash or something. Alright, so I'm back. I went and grabbed some double-sided tape from AutoZone. Some of this 3M stuff. It held my wing on, or my spoiler. That one there, it's been on for like 2 years. So it's been holding that on pretty good, so I figure it could hold these little teeth. I don't want to really drill into the bumper. I'm only going to have this stuff on for like 2 weeks maybe. So I'm just going to get these lined up and put them back on. Alright, and the next thing I got to put on is just this. It's a spooky spider web. It has little spiders on it. And it's the kind like you kind of stretch it out. I was thinking about putting it like in the back of the car somewhere. So yeah, I'll probably throw this in real quick. Alright guys, check it out. I just finished all of the Halloween stuff on the Miata. So I'll show you guys a real quick look around. I'm going to do a night shot too, so it's still a little bit sun out. But pretty basic. I threw these pumpkins in here that glow up and put my little power inverter. Put a hand. So I got purple lights that go all the way around, all along the visor or the headliner, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, there's the bat again. I got all that. But I just remembered I have stuff you could put on the windows too. So I'll probably put like a skull here. Alright, so I remembered I had these things. Check that out. Skull. It's for Stone Cold Steve Austin. Austin 316. And just some hands. I wanted to get a shot before it gets too dark out. That way we could still see on camera. Got that. The purple lights you can't really see yet. It's still too bright out. If I have to, I'll do another quick clip just to show you guys how it looks. But that's it. That's gonna be all for this video. Thanks everybody. Oh, actually, let's check the lights. I wonder if I could still see good out of them. It's probably as good as a NA headlight still. Actually might do a video replacing the light bulbs. I have a LED set that I ordered. I just haven't had time to put them in, I guess. Been lazy. But yeah.
Thanks everybody for watching, and have a happy Halloween.